weekend, they will try as much as possible to say, I'm back into the game, at least at home, and Castle to back straight up. I'm betting me every day. But I think that Asante is a good team. I'm betting me all out. I think a draw, and you know, one say betting me a PSI game. Then, of course, 11 wonders with new coach Jay Sapon. Ebe taking over after saying Neo Datelamte resigning from the post. But more airborne against the Diana Stars. So they didn't say Diana FC this season away, you know, at home, so far. We have points on my pick about 15 points so far on my pick. They look like one of the teams are on the the Ghana Premier League. So 11 wonders will try say at the University of Ghana Sports Stadium a year ago. The only home game on boy and Sports Arena. I was Samurai Boy. This time around, they are playing at their favorite grounds. AAK the second. I'm paying in Zema. One money hard to folk and boy. And it's a game. Very very tricky. Hard to folk ain't to share a year Holy Star since we getting promotion about the Premier League and how to folk on the Inzima land. You know, very difficult. Eddie Macra how to folk. They are here to win a game on an Inzima land. So. Game we but I feel that for Baseke Holy Stars, they'll be looking at picking their first victory or scoring their first goal or picking their first points of the season. Then, of course, Swedro All Blast against Lions. And then I'm blessed to say, maybe we game 2-0. But very difficult at the moment. But the last time, Team Bia, what the league in be echo a year, Swedro, no, it was Baby and Go Stars. I'm going to show by 2 goals, by 1 goal to 0. And clearly, it is a game looking very difficult at the Maswedro All Blacks. Oche Heart of Lions, the kind of footballer. But share here for them in Rentino Airbar. It looks very difficult at the Maswedro All Blacks. But I feel that Ahmed Fati in him said the job might be on the line if when to me the needed result. Because what if you now want to me win? Now quite win, I want to me win. It is I don't think it's quite exciting. And you know, I'm expecting that and at least for everything good, as we All Blacks are, you know, I'm to me, I pick all 3 points. It will give me, but it looks very difficult.
Solid one from Solomon Amankwa, the Superman High TV, Ghana Premier League, live coverage earlier day. Brown, I am faster than for 1 hour boy, Chidom Naya. Baba heard the Ebekoso, Kumasi, Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Naya, and City. And Pacho, Yadi Asakasi, Ma, a year high sense, home same income for FMOS and Navy. But what is so doing a bedroom showrooms are who doing Debbie. Now I can pick a product I will pass a use sell per TV, sell per air condition, per a refrigerator, chest freezers, ACs, and I will pay gas cookers, and I will pay washing machine, smartphones, and so and a sound system, water dispensers, microwaves, blenders, rice cookers, kettle, irons, any day cake and one when he HMO high sense at tonight. Maybe I told any customer woman say, what do I need HMO? I will come sit down or so I want be a new showroom or I feel I'm at a so and now high show so your new officer a showroom can see a be a honor oko pimo crying and answer a car a chimota amara here bachona than suman is legon kaswa West Hills Mall La Paz Sanso and we do any chimo or kanishi yebutuano mankesim or boasis sunyani techiman tamale hohoi any kofodia hoina no takwade yebutuano musi tafa mebacho ko na kwaji product TB from 0302 550 000 ofra wom ebejo so they be answer to me akoso Father Abraham Herbal and Spiritual Hospital say bara na be pimu of fanko barrier as of Star Oil filling station no nchen ho pe ho no ebutu oba be pimu e Father Abraham Herbal and Spiritual Hospital ya de biara e wo ni pedua no betu afo say ulcer na etete kidney problems na wo prostate no how about diabetes and how your bow your papa waware now sebe ope your funu awo bab modern copy mu Father Abraham Herbal and Spiritual Hospital na wom M1 na wapomde ene wo de open so entimi nkoso yare biara etete no ode mpaibɔ ne ahaban bɛka abomatu ase ama wapomde etimi SPS brand abasobode ye de wajajajajaja sisi kra no your friends enko abasobode a yenko isanse adults enu ti bo modern aso do ani bɛchemu Father Abraham Herbal and Spiritual Hospital freno 0244 371 695 0244 08033713695 and as a 0559114122 ofra wom ebejo so ebibia so etimi akoso ejwara kosi ada omo ye adwuma sisi am no kase omo atena ase omo hwe nkrofo ntiko na kojo apom den na bibia so etimi enkoso sika sema ye din okrom ha adwuma ye be ye nso boso beso sika ne ba ya na asa enu nti fa phone no na bo star 446# na fa wo ho ehyem bi eye dewa 539 direct no de ni ka wo mi se number 7 pm and draw no betodwa numbers no ye 1 to 39 1 to 39 ofa emu 5 numbers are if 55 cities econo na we try na do ho agim na bibia so I correct pam etimi e the amount any customer wo mi se numbers ni na bo 5 ah ye bet times sika we try by 50,000 say emu 4 na boy bet times by 5,000 say emu 3 bo say emu 2 bo ni na ye wo kwan e be fa so e betu o kana so nya kakra e de gubo tuma twanum spedede me pa cho for ho gim for phone na bo star 446# na so select between 1 and 39 5 numbers ne bibia so entimi enkoso kama emfa mana wani ehu sede e share so esitie je se enye adwuma ketwa kra okay so far so good matches out of form no and after the enkoso early kickoffs no matches ni Brekum Chelsea and Vision FC 19 minutes obian shebi Gold Stars and Young Apostles 14 minutes obian shebi Dreams FC ni Samates 21 minutes obian shebi 11 Wonders Adriana Stars 21 minutes obian shebi Holy Stars ni Hasufok 21 minutes obian shebi and Asredro All Blacks and so any Heart of Lions 22 minutes obia into me and to atna yanko Asante Kotoko Karela game no solo nyame aduma there 3:30 in the next 7 minutes Kotoko and Karela di ebweni. First of all, from Asante Kotoko perspective, after home and away defeat to a whack, this is their first game in front of their supporters. What will be the approach like? Ian caution T and I say send on busy approach game.
Well, I think Coach Abdul Karim Sito and him say maybe doing a face saving season at the Maomo. Of course, they are no more in any continental competition. And the focus a domestic football. And for the level of Asante Kotoko, nothing apart from the title, no, and I'll bet me I classify and say season no akoye at the amount. And considering a quite more fast way free move in the CAF Confederations Cup, they would want to make amends the Ghana Premier League or the FA Cup. Now they are coming up against Karela United, a team on that bigger record of Asante Kotoko. The last 10 meetings, both home and away on Meshiano, Karela Ewini Emumi Enupe. And the last time Karela Ewini against Asante Kotoko in the Premier League, now the 2023-2024 season, Karela Esha Asante Kotoko by 1-0. Yeah. First leg ended 1-1 at the Babaya Sports Stadium. Last season, Kotoko a double over Karela or shared 1-0 home and away. And so this is a game Asante Kotoko yes best struggle. So we're the starting 11, our coach Abdul Karim Zito apparently and now. It tells you say majority of the key stars are available, minus Samba Wunel and the unstarted game. Yeah. Then of course Emmanuel Entry will not be in the game. But Lord Hilary, Adabo, Seth Kwajo, Hubert Jehu, Peter Mido, Aqua, Morfin Donzo, and the likes are quite good players on any other given day. Omobetimi Amache to any team bless again. A start in this game, but Zaidan Mohammed, I know being say this game obetime taking it to Asante Kotoko no. Coach Nuruddin Amadou decided say obe starting from the bench, same as Asante and the Evans or say so clearly two teams about with that mindset of picking all 3 points. They are both going to defend and an attack at the same time, and I think say and never set to give up for whoever is prepared enough. So me pick you all 3 points. It is not going to be quite an easy encounter. So we are Asante Kotoko clearly. They have good materials for the domestic game. Maybe the continental competition and may be about too early for them. But we have the squad of Metime Asambula. This is a team that can match up to any team in the Ghana Premier League. It's the mental toughness, mental fortitude, and the boys it's a show. And if they would want to prove anything to their supporters. It is a game against Karela United. Karela and your good travelers. In the Asante Kotoko, you make sure say a return to Babaya Sports Stadium in front of your home fans, Ubeti Maye no beti Mbia to pick 3 points. And I think it's a game to be difficult, but then Asante Kotoko might look like a team or your favorite to win this game.
All right, Tintienche na yen commentators no Edu Eremo from the Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium to leaders of the team no and then match officials no aiding komo na womo atoso coin no na chese omoto ewie no kamapa na omo de ase ani de bibia so atimi akoso ntizi no edrum fo nitwa eno mu yimfo ni ho kama enye asem kuto akranti fatawo ni apamfo no so it is going to be a very cagey encounter we said the enchane so esi etie na goalkeeper dem de ma Karela omani abrese kwambia so no metimi afa nkunudi abotre na timi de akọ so ye he said the enchane so ebesi akọ enche na Bismarck kwaku support GPL ono na de commentary mu hwampa e de ma wa so enjoy e wo fi ahodo awo e wo mu connection so say ye di ka shabo say afi from week 1 ekopim the last week I be hu the Oji Ghana Premier League no Onua TV enko a na ye de commentary ye de coverage e mu ofe quality videos pictures and analysis nina ye de ebremo but ye fast the kase biom enfema high sense sanso so na dewa 539 direct and they Father Abraham Herbal and Spiritual Hospital and Chidom. Coach Abdul Karim Zito and the opinion thing at the Nuridin Amedu or more enina and AD and Como and so Honomo just say and ye asem go to Accra na no and so no inti Nuridin Amedu or no and the Samantha Saji Abdul Karim Zito Unyanji Premier League no as a coach as a head coach but we FA Cup and other trophies are why GGB Yanka was saying Yadma Kwesiada Ebe Ewo the Accra Sports Stadium the big game no to from the super clash Accra Hartsville versus Asante Kotoko in the house Konzima Kotoko book Masi Kwesiada omo de be see again Ewo Accra Sports Stadium. A league winner with Accra Hartsville. So you see, on a captain at the Emma Bobukwa on the Karela United. They will be answering to me and Koso Kama. And see, the other games are so far so good. So the medical Bobono will be into me and to Atna. Yes, the Tenano. Become Chelsea, Viviani Gold Stars, some Dream Samates, 11 Wonders Diana, Holy Stars, Hartsville, and then Swedro Blacks, Lions, Ubia, and Twatna. Babara Sports Stadium game now, and Ashase, Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, in their traditional red colors, maybe also to or therefore, Timiante, Etwaso, at the way, now to me, Kama, Leon said, and so AC at here. All right, into Bismarck, Kusapon, Edu Irem, El Babara Sports Stadium.
Referee Maxwell Hansen and China by Asante Kotoko. Nimu say Mubetimi eti Nkunim against Karela United. We can see more deep papa Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko say Obufi CAF Confederations Cup way any against Nimu say Mubetimi eti Nkunim Ewu Kumasi Asante Kotoko Lord Amwa Pega ball actually mama Atrashe a goal kick here ball Ediatia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. A goalkeeper Daniel Afaju, one of the post mu and area Edema Karela United. Akasha de Mountain say Omo Enkom na on Pega Bon and Facing. Apeja on Fifi FM Asante Kotoko, Patrick Kasiedu. A Piasso area quality. Shannon Swami say and Joseph Ablo. Woni Henry Ansu and the General Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Bona Trashe. A throw in here to Adetia Asante Kotoko. Abdul Fattah Mohammed. Who say Akai Edema Kra Asofo Kanewo Jamu Edema Karela United. Boni Karela. Ewa center. Can feel from Nelson. I chip on the from him. Henry Kwame Ansu, Nanko who beja unenso bono atrashe. A throw in the to Eddie Etia. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Watobono. Karela United. Abdul Fattah Mohammed. Pia wanante bakodi Al Hassan Ali. Ali di Abdul Fattah Mohammed. Wapeja wante Asante Kotoko eti at box mnenso. Mohammed Kamara Rabe Pim. Bonen said Asikra. Karela United. Karela. That's your bonnet here from him. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Bona Trashe throw in a yeto. Saka Dauda went to me and in a bonus from an Trashe. A throw in here to Ediatia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Abdul Fattah Mohammed. Atubono Ediatia Fifi Nelson Masapin. Patrick Asiedu and a Pimbon Samano Traline. You throw in a yeto Eddie Etia Asante Kotoko.
Well, game I started with a high intensity. Asante Kotoko, him say, Omo ebe appeasy, Omo fans, after that disappointing performance over the Cup Confederations Cup. So it's a game they would want to do everything within their power. So it's a really game and yeah, easy. But I think that two teams should have started with a high intensity and a game has started on that note.
Throw in a year to Ediatia Asante Kotoko, Abdul Fattah Mohammed. Watobono Nenso, Henry Kwame Nsu, Wapimbo Afriwo, Bono Fifi Afen, Saka Dauda. A foul Maxwell Hansen say a foul young Fantuana Yemuntia, Patrick Asiedu, Fattah Mohammed. When they jump on a chi, Bakache, Manchani said, won't come down, won't pay your and face him, or pay your Ediatim so a trash here, I throw a year to Ediatia Karela United. Patrick Asiedu, Afa Ediama Asante Kotoko. Henry Nsu, Lord Amoa. But Emma Henry Nsu, a Piasso. Joseph Ablo, Patrick Asiedu, Kotoko between your great kind, Nancy there be a offside. Itia Asante Kotoko. Sima Numuntamwani, Marafin don't so anymore. And then Albert Amwani or Eti Asante Kotoko. Marafin Donzo, whatever you Jumano, Etiamomo and then
he was brought in, Bema, Kotoko, the attacking options, a bit of a competition. But then again, with the absence of Albert Amoa, or no, and honest, arising, Eddie Amman say, Obetimiako, now Obetimiako, Abua Santi Kotoko when it comes to goals. But so far, of course, that was a beautiful screamer.
Kuma Asante Kotoko, she great Dikai Kumase. Who Bejo, what they want to attract them, Ediama Asante Kotoko. Said Kwajo Efabono Fifi, Piasso, what if I've been kum, Emma Saka Dauda. What came back over at the Pegabon at the chair, Karela United 88 boxing him. And now, who Bejo, who am a bonancy from Kra, Pa, not that them, Kotoko Shabako, Karela United Intimate.
I've already told you, sir, Asante Kotoko team no more. They have enough quality to play any team with the local front. But the domestic game no more. But maybe the continental game no, and then yet too difficult at the moment. But I feel that they are too strong as a team and collectively, if you look at how Omutimi manage prepare for this game Then of course how the cross came in, and then Ube Jewu not even thinking twice or call for that half volley or the Nyago and Asante Kotoko. It tells you how good the boy is. 1-0 Asante Kotoko in the early minutes of the game. It sets up a very cagey encounter.
Asante Kotoko Sheba Karela United intimate here. A free kick here ball there to Asante Kotoko. Say Wasahine Edema Asante Kotoko Henry Kwame Ansu Woko try Emma center referee Maxwell Hansen Aje Eretiano Pega de Chemu Henry Ansu Ehuri Saka Dauda wonderful referee Maxwell Hansen say foul Jafatuona Yemuntia Karela United Sima and Sunta Mwani Asante Kotoko Shabako Karela United intimate here. Ghana Premier League winning match at Tosso and Watry, and then matches are here on the door super papa. Goes a Babia, Babia goes Babiano, Yadaba Tuja, Ede Ama Yahefo, and then Area Mohamed Kamara. A player at the Achemna so Bia Huanka, Amana Trash, a 3-year tour at the Asante Kotoko. Abdul Fatah Mohamed Wato Nenso. Maxwell Hansen was a free kick in front of Wana Yemuntia, Karela United Sunset, Gideon Boateng, Ekotia, Golfers, Abante and Saka Dauda. It is center referee Maxwell Hansen. Was it in front of Patrick Kassiedo Jabonechi. Referee Ashena Ben, Wapejabon the Bonachemu. Ewoni faso Asante Kotoko make us say omani abrepa na sha chibana de from nsam wo ma sa kwaje offside tia Asante Kotoko Abdul Fatah Mohamed pia bono so na so da bi referee Maxwell Hansen aje foul area ma Karela United Karela United. Romo Krabono Fifi. Patao Mohamed Piasso de Bonaqueti. Bonaquedi Al Hassan Ali. Ali Al Hassan. Piasso de Bonafabenkum. Karela United. Amasha Sebo Bibi. She born in Tempasso de Afanifa. Abdul Fatah Mohamed. Born Fifi FM. Karela United. One more at the born echo. Trouble in Tempasso FM. The financial Saka Dauda. Asante Kotoko a year for a Piasso command goalkeeper. Daniel Afaju. Afaju a trouble in the Achema, trying Fifi FM. Roma rapping. Gideon Boateng, where Piasso. Akwako Di Abdullah Zakaria, oh, that the other body.
It was a very beautiful interpositional play. We were exchanging now, come up, but then the final delivery and Elete Karela United down. So far, after conceding, it looks as if Karela United look more settled because women at that form they need to come in. No one tries to omit at Abokara, but so far. Asante Kotoko keep Promoku, allowing them to keep possession. Then they try to back Atromo on the break.
Jetwa can say the Sabonica, Karela United on Modern Bossa, Ni Papa, Ball on Bodefe, Henry Kwame Ansu, Lord Amwa. Set Quadu. Lord, I'm going to call Lord. We're ready to box in across and answer there be goalkeeper Daniel Afajasum. Sima Ejubako enter Mwani. Asante Kotoko Shabako. Karela United intimate. Nanso bone body make say Karela United ne body nyina. Bona trash here throw in here to Ediatia. Karela United. Patrick Kasiedu. Atobone tentedi achemu. Shibone de fio boda with Fifi FM. Lord Hilaria double him. Piana Shwama referee say a foul. Jemfantona Yemontia Karela United. Ewon Fifi FM.
Lord Hilaria double signed from FC Samates. A very combative midfielder, a top customer in the middle of the park. Anytime Bia Obenya had an opportunity to start in the Wuse or the Nyadindi ball in that midfield, then clearly I think that Asante Kotoko are reaping from what they expected to have. Ebra signing now. But a sweet goal from Hubert Jawu Uria Kwanya Saka Dauda on the left side. Otimi that cross now Opiabo neba 8 box in Hubert Jawu. He did not even think twice. Oh, who's a goalkeeper now? Off in the line now, call for that half volley. Eventually give Asante Kotoko lead. 30 minutes into the game, Kotoko are comfortable at this moment.
Asante Kotoko branche bako at the form. Into make us a referee. Was the entrance on a fee? Yenchaman Hunton in Yakwanya and Trasso. Maxwell Hansen on the 10-50. RSA Pepe betting Yakoso. I can't see me. Coach Karim Zitu. Saka Dauda, what's the journey now? So, you know, if you go power shit in Yakwanya, Atraso. Throw in a year to Ediatia Asante Kotoko. Wato bona kwacha koma Malik Abubakar. The bona kwacha koma the goalkeeper Daniel Afaju. Faisa Gariba or the man Afaju. Now see the bona pima Asante Kotoko. Kotoko player no aye Morfin Donzu etimi koye. A goal kick. A Piazza de Bonacoma. Faisa Gariba or Chabon and Tempasso da Chemu. Referee say a penalty, Etia Kumas Asante Kotoko. Referee say a penalty, Etia Asante Kotoko. Maxwell Hansen. Simai Tunumuntamwani.
I think the referee have corrected that mistake. He acknowledged the fact that goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara and Tache and Chikunedu. So I think that yes, he is already whistled for that penalty.
A penalty avoided at Asante Kotoko. Mohamed Kamara. Bless again on it, Mohamed Kamara. Bless again when it jump on Echi. Ejima Karela United. Bless again, Mohamed Kamara. Go, what up to them, Karela United.
4 penalties. 4 penalties scored for Blessege ever the Ghana Premier League so far, and I think sir he is one of those players we are confident sir penalty ebe toho na okojina ho a obviously obepiabo no out to net and what dispatching beautifully, even though goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara the idea he went for that direction, but the power behind the ball no and a drifting off goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Karela United goal Asante Kotoko SHT omo no omo itimiati omo ka.
Goalkeeper Daniela Faju also born with the Karela United. What over there called Benkuma Faso. Game will be a shot in Yonkwe back over Cancino. Kotoko. Set Kwajo with Pianso, Nansu goalkeeper Daniela Faju Assassin. Ghana Premier League very much a toss on what you are ball. Asante Kotoko Shabako. Karela United Shabako. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Atubana dia Fabien Kubadiama Patrick Kasedu. Lord Hilaria double. Lord Hilaria double the crabon with Piasso de Bonacquachi or the Akakoma Henry Kwame Ensu Ediama Mohamed Kamara. Kamara Bonacoma Patrick Kasedu. Esedu Apeja Bonachemu. No, so there be referee. And foul young Fanto na Yemuntia. Karela United. Gideon Boating. Joseph Fablo. Lord Hilaria Dabu. Henry Kwame Ensu. Joseph Fablo. Henry Kwame Ensu. Joseph Fablo, the one that come Lord Hilaria Dabu. A double the one that come Joseph Fablo. Set Kwaju. Someone trash throwing here to Editia. Asante Kotoko. Sima Edu Enkrunta Mwani. Asante Kotoko Shabako. Karela United Shabako. Ghana Premier League winning match. Tosso Mapia Yebo. 2025-2026 season. Lord Amwa. Lord Hilaria Double Pianso Aquatia Kwakoma. Joseph Fablo. Hilaria Double. And Jibana dia friend in some Karela United. Then so Bobona Manatasia. I throw in here to Adiatia. Karela United. Who bet you actually go? Edema Asante Kotoko. And I bless again. What a cano. Edema Karela United. Asante Kotoko. Joseph Fablo. Lord Hilaria Double. Nancy Ajibane from is a Bonada Sukra, Asante Kotoko. Saka Dauda. Lord Hilaria Double. Pati Kasiedu. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Mantelenia Bri Papa Paso Betimi. And you're going to toss me, Lord Amwa. A pega at Chemo. A goal kick. Sima Jono Bako. And your ball fade Nikain. Asante Kotoko Shabako. Karela United Shabako. A pega ball at Chemo, Fifi FM. Kotoko. Referee say a foul young Fanto. Na Yemuntia Gideon Boati, Siakai, Edema Karela United. Joseph Fablo. A foul. Patrick Kasedu Ajibono Benkuma Faso. Pianso de Aquacha comme Joseph Fablo. Henry Kwame Ensu. But I'm a Lord Hilary Adabu. Adabu appears to the funny fan. I'm Lord Amua. Lord Amua, what are the Boneko with Dimika across the bonnet at Chemu, Asante Kotoko. What a shot goal! Kumase Ayade Asante Kotoko Ashemienu Karela United at Atimubako.
That was another beautiful strike from that talisman Hubert Jau. The 80-yard box the Chihuahua pair, which a Lord Amua. Running into the 80-yard box, cut back no, born by the tree, and Hubert Jau unmarked just released a thunderous strike, and they are resulting in the second goal. That is his quality, his trademark, and I'm not surprised. Say and enumerate Hubert Jau, Emma Asante Kotoko fans, and what they really came to the Barbara Sports Stadium for crazy strikes, and of course, for their lead, Emma Asante Kotoko.
Hubert Jawa no si akai edema Brekum Chelsea Sima adwonu miensanta mu ahye goals mienu edema Asante Kotoko Hubert Jawa Waja goes near no Atontane mienu di ama Asante Kotoko. A center referee Maxwell Hansen. Wachena Ben Abdul Fattah Mohammed. Adi Bonakodi Abdullah Zakaria. Adi dia from himself. Karela United. When we bet me at Yomokano, Tani Yamoyedi Kanana. Anasa Asante Kotoko, Yomomakwain. Hubert Jau. Apega Ayachemu. No, Morofin Donzo, Nenso. Yamanu Cry, you bought a free war. Karela United Apega Bonachemu, Nenso, Ansu, Lord Amwa. A throw near to the Asante Kotoko. Abdullah Zakaria to Yenenso referee. A throw near to Frontier Karela United. What talk about the goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Joseph Ablo. Lord Hilary Adabu. Karela United at J. Ewodifa. Gideon Boati. Eric entry couldn't do none, so assistant line one say a foul young fatu na Yemuntia Karela United. This I say Rokopia Joseph Ablo editor form.
Intelligently done by Joseph Ablo. No name say Bibiana born it was always very difficult to beat attacker, so he just needed to find a way of according to the sympathy of the referee, and clearly winning that free kick, easy a bit of pressure. I want to so.
Henry Kwame Ensu. Shabana dia chemu. Nancy Apimba na dia free. Maxwell Hansen say foul young fan to one Munti Asante Kotoko. Abdurrahman Ayape Yabona de Achemu. You so you want to feel one of the FIFA fan. Lord Amwa. Lord Hilary Adabu. Lord Amoa. Bona Trashe throw in here too. Ariatia Karela United, Lord Amoa to Bon and Tempaso. Kotoko between your Gatosomi and Sana, Nancy Chivane from 7. Set Quadro. Fabono Dimrika. And a Jiffin Karela United. Piabon so the Bonafanifa. We're meeting about short. Next goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara Ibonamana. Atra line a corner kick Ayebo. Ariatia Asante Kotoko. Philip Atom. Nyabodonifa. Short goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Was on passing there and Piabon to corner Moko. Sima Adjono and Sontamweni. Corner Ayebo. Ariatia Asante Kotoko. Abdul Fatah Mohamed, one example on a referee, Asana Bay, Fatawa Ibondabi, Morafin Tonso, a Piasso, Akoni Hubejau, Jawa Ibonadachemo, Kotoko Benya Guatasomiansa, across the bono, then so that we got to Paratina Sevibono, the goalkeeper, Daniela Faju. What part of Montedia Karela United and so say. That was a brilliant save from the goalkeeper, but a very wonderful play. Emma Asante Kotoko, Hubert Jau, one on a far bono, Pia Bono to the left hand side. Then, of course, that cut back, no, Ebaye. Eventually, Hubert Jau, and Afe, a year, Pitamidu Aqua, Antinian, connectable, number one, and Piantantinemu. Kudos to the goalkeeper. He got his positioning right. Lord Amoa. Set Quadro. Lord, I'm watching Bono when he far faso. Across the Bono, Achemu, that be. I am foul, your body at your Asante Kotoko Sanse. Baby, I'm not born in war. Any baby, we're 29 final. Peter Midwakwa. Refi ache fawa de tiano. Morafin Tonso. Peter Midwakwa. Lord Amoa, the crab on mas Asante Kotoko, Pia Solomon Fanifa. Lord Amoa. Set Quadro. Sibona dia chemu akanse ni mo hye papa Asante Kotoko Lord Hilary Adabo apega bona cheme so bia ni ho akopia na to ba bi kwa represent so Maxwell Hansen Patrick Kasiedu what that form Philip Atom. One of the John Water from Pierre Tracer, referee Maxwell Hansen. I said, Manchester, the best one of the young when you're to track. I said, so Sima Adriasa Bakuntamweni Asante Kotoko Ashemiano, Karela United Shabako Nurudin Amadou, one and a head coach, Adema Karela United. One also said him not to the power ball or bon effort. Our group of men so and area. Worker coaches, our Magic Ghana Premier League now, Nurudin Amadou. One also the FC Samatex, 1996 year. And then one of the Karela United Bobo Kuni. Maxwell Hansen say a foul young fan to honor Emuntia Karela United. Patrick Kasiedu. Who bench your ball up and to me and come here? Karela United on modern Bokon Kappa, Japan idea from some Kotoko between go to Sumiruana Saka Dada, Richard Boxing in Wayne as a goalkeeper. Daniel Fazu Asobon Afaju Daniel was so much to area 550. Akodi Abdul Rahman Yaya. Next one Antonio Casaje from some Asante Kotoko. Karela United. Roma Jibono Fifi. Referee foul yan Fanto na Emuntia Asante Kotoko. Jose Pablo. Jose Pablo in sample born him. Kotoko Jibon in Tempaso. Abdul Fatah one was shot. Next one and I'm go punish. Goal kicker Asante Kotoko board at Karela United. Sima Adiasa Miensa Ghana Premier League winning match at Toso and Watria Yebo. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Piga bola da Chemo Fifi FM. She wanted to feel about the Jim Fifi. Asante Kotoko between your brother Toso. Peter Miduakwa. Peter was short and so went to Yanko and say, Peter Miduakwa be able to say, Crabon waiting at boxing him. Go Asante Kotoko, she go Toso Miansa. Asante Kotoko. Woma she go Toso Miansa. Ediatia Karela United.
That was a sweet finish for Asante Kotoko. Morofin Donzo, Jumani Bra, Peter Miduakwa first ball, Antimi anchor at the back of the net to make sure say, more pay up that strategy, and pick a ball around in front of the goalkeeper. Outside the ball, and find Peter Miduakwa, who sent in a sweet cross. And of course, set Quadro to make read in the champion ball to Atenemoa. When you're the first goal, and then Makumasi Asante Kotoko at the Barbara Sports Stadium. Kotoko 3, Karela United 1.
At the results, and that's a match in the Mika say. Asante Kotoko clear one and 10 pass for the free wall. Center referee Maxwell Hansen, minimum dia koso. Player back where Dako Pamano so. It is center referee Maxwell Hansen, see and 20 so na fei. Jerry Man Hontonia, Akwanya, na Yantu Akansil, so Sima Adiasa Asia 36 minutes, any abo, Ewa Kensim of Fetikai. Kotoko Shamiensa, Karela Atimubako. Al Hassan Ali, Asola Jan, and also Chibia referee. Maxwell Hansen, Bessa, and Abami Atua Canceliso. Patrick Asiedu. Apega Eddie Achemu. Henry Kwame Ansu. Referee Maxwell Hansen was say a foul young Fatuana Emunti Asante Kotoko Sanse. Henry Kwame Ansu hours and then where you're signing Edema Asante Kotoko no will rip him no.
Well, I think Maxwell Hansen has been charitable and they will give him more because we've seen some needless flying tackles. Players, but then he's failed to caution most of the players, especially in the part of Asante Kotoko. If say Henry Ansu, you are just so you soon the elbow, that should be a yellow card for Henry Ansu. But I think Marshall Hansen, I am quite charitable in this game. But it looks quite physical. We are the midfield of Karela and Afia Asante Kotoko. They are all combating for the ball. Be a new all allow your opponent to override more at the heart of midfield. And I'm again no, it look quite clumsy, but I think Kotoko have that advantage, especially playing at the dreaded Babia Sports Stadium. And I'm leading by 3-1. 3 crucial and I've played sublime goals and Asante Kotoko Ashe.
Faisal Gareba Exabanete de Karela United. Peter Midwakwa. Peter Midwakwa. Ya jibana de feeling some a foul ya body at Asante Kotoko. Monofin Donzo. But only could this answer one no. Maxwell Hansen see him fan to an Emunti Asante Kotoko. Joseph Ablo Enya Shelokada Edikai Ewa Kansienum Maxwell Hansen Bono Koko and Wasaka Koyebim.
Like I said earlier, now I think the referee no, it was being charitable. Here tackles are not evermore. You just need to issue the yellow card so that they come with 10 pass down. And again, Joseph Pablo of Asante Kotoko picks a yellow card. I will give him the move. That would have been some sort of a strike, but of course there is a shooter at the back. The referee, I will saw a anti-free kick against Blessegi.
Foul Etia Blessegi. Henry Kwame Ansu. Lord Amoa. And so the bona fin set Kwaju. And Jibona Fenin said, I can't say my day. Be about home the referee Maxwell Hansen say, Young Fantoni went to Asante Kotoko. They are 2 and Piason, so Lord Amoa, I wouldn't find. Karela United the Carbon PPFM. Piasso de Bonacaka, my bless. Faisal Gareba. Afadunu will be Ajibona, FA, Papa. Karela United, the Gino Mopasea, Ayana FA, Sansola Asante Kotoko. One more Gino de Bonnie, Queni Mayana FA. Sima Ediana Intamano of Dikai. Asante Kotoko Shamiesa. Karela United at Timubako.
This is what you do after a big disappointment. You beat a team out and they ball hands down to send a signal. Say it was just something they see here along the line. Kotoko Etre, why Omoko Africa? They are showing why when we team are watching the Ghana Premier League, you know the door. Clearly, they are dominant on Karela, even though game no answer that and overly a dominant game for Asante Kotoko. The Karela nya otimi bobi, but 3-1 in the first half. How a year competitive Kotoko team no aye. So far, I think that they've been the better side. I will give them more.
Jatwa consider so. Joseph Pablo. Lord Hilaria Dabu. Set Kwachodi Bona Kobenkum. Lord Amoa. Mesibodo ya fan fifi. Kotoko benya gweto so. Enaya na so. Foul. Morefen Donzo. Wapese ene wotimi. Ese go de ma Asante Kotoko bobo ko no nso. Oye bia. Go de my sima duanai. Mienu entemu ene akasima miensa ane de referee Maxwell Hansen. Boy my dia to so. Maxwell Hansen. Neni ambrepa. Joseph Abro so ya hwe sanse. Wadi kan enya yellow card wa cancel wonya bi onya de toso mienu ana se wo fimu. Eno ebe red card e dia mano. Coach Karim Zito. Na wo se wo tiemu eni abrancha na kasa se onya hwe yie. Faisa Garba yibo na chem na so goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara apopo na tenteri achemu bona kwedi Al Hassan Ali Asante Kotoko abo short Rubejau na so da bi ene why na say short nko na bebo sanse eno ene ade a na obrekum Chelsea no na wo ye ntinya nwa se na watimi abomienu amane nyina koto atenam Karela United bono fifi wa peja ade achemu referee say foul yan fan to say Harry Ansu wono e kopem Abdurrahman Yaya edneto from Faisa Garba wode bona to apia so wode ama Abdul Fattah Mohamed nanso da bi bona kodi Patrick Kasier wode bona fan fifi set kwajo Afi Ghana Premier League ne mu be din papa Sima aduana 9 yewura mo sima aduana num nanso referee en fasima mi no nto so Asante Kotoko abranche ba kwada akopama no so Je Hessan ho betimi ato na fe yetimi ato akanse no so Akanseru ISA supporters no be ID o mi Asante Kotoko Shamiensa ama Karela United atimu ba ko de me so bojutum se ne afane no mienu e bo mo homodi bibia betimi asi Abdul Rahman Yaya asola jane na so chebeto aso sima mienu de to so make say ya bobu ba ko an saka sima ba ko me se Maxwell Hansen be se na be dia cancel fe dikano.
It's been a very competitive first half. Even though Kotoko lead by 3-1, but I think so we show on the screen now we share the scoreboard. Now you might think that Kotoko ain't too easy on the game, but clearly it's been a battle. Asante Kotoko bomomodi enomunya those 3 goals, but then the exchanges, Karela. And so have shown quite resilience, even though they are down. But they are showing on a difficult day, one of the teams are no boy day.
Throwing Asante Kotoko Eto Adetia Karela United. Lord Amoa. Who are on our cover board, what told the Aquachi. Piasso de Bonafa, Benkuma Faso, Nanso, there be. Through Ayato Adetia Asante Kotoko. Abdul Fattah Mohammed. Pato area chemu. Atrashe throw in here to the Asante Kotoko. Fattah Mohammed atobono nense yibona fiwo. Marafin Donso betini. Piaso de afanifa. Peter Midwakwa. Mariama Patika said, "I cannot form a referee Ajifao Eddie Etia Karela United." Sima, you know, the to make us say, Aswan is a train center referee Maxwell Hansen. Ebe Shena Bay, Washena Bay, Eddie Akasino, Ofedi Kanina, Abadawe, Asante Kotoko, Eshamiensa, Karela United, Eshabako.
Beautiful display of artistry football over the Babayara Sports Stadium. Karela United, you're down by 3-1, but I think in some part of the game, in some phases of the game, now Karela United will be power, but then to me and make a use of those opportunities and now falling to them. They were able to break here Asante Kotoko defense line, but I think that the rigidness and robust nature of Kotoko on my back line, Lord Amoa and of course Patrick, together with Ablo and then of course Henry Ainsu, I'm making sure say Asante Kotoko backline ho, be quite difficult. Ediama Karela United in that midfield of Hubert Jewu and then that of Abraham they said Kwajo, and so making sure say making a midfield no quite tight with Lord Hilary Adabo say Ojina in Fifi or Ediamomo. Then of course the attacking trio of Saka Dauda, Peter Midwakwa and Morifin Donzo and making sure say put at the back of the net. Then Hubert Jewu, 2 goals at Asante Kotoko. These are classic goals at the Babayara Sports Stadium. But don't take anything away from Karela United. I think that they earned a penalty after say goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara, even though Opotese Enyadian inside to me Konedu. But then of course referee whistle for a penalty. Bless again. Under no pressure with Miss Lotte Bono at the back of the net for his 4th goal of the season and his 4th penalty kick so far in 2025-26. It ends in the first half. Kotoko lead by 3-1. 45 minutes more to come.
With the same intensity, you will just see this game out knowing that you have a big one next weekend.
Yeah, I think we did a mistake in the first half. We had the first goal and we relaxed a little bit in the equalize. That's what was trying to put a little pressure on us. I don't think we are coming back here to relax again. We have to open up and make sure we get the lead well.
Well, let's see what happens in the second half. Thanks very much, Coach Prince Yaosu. I'll be joined by Kwesise, the assistant coach of Karela United. And now, Coach, I mean, it's not been a good first half for you. How do you plan on getting back into the game in the second half?
Yes, you can see we lost the midfield. So as we are in halftime, we are going back to prepare and put things together. We see different football.
Well, let's see what happens with the second half because your team is down by 3-1. It's not been an easy one for Karela at the moment because Kotoko are leading them. We take a quick break. When we return, I will be joined by Jeffrey Asari.
Reported back and say have to put a second goal. Ebekwa confirming the scorer no etimi e dia ma assistance na have to put second goal no report aye PK say nyaba enti nzema enyina se anase nzema ampe ni park no so no kwa hard vote report coming in. They are leading by 2-0. Sweat drew All Blacks and Sutifie Emma Abranta Daily Chauncey Freeman enya the opener and I said the only goal in the game so far at the Ama team a Heart of Lions. Interesting times ahead for Ahmed Farti. Kumasi Asante Kotoko on fire in the first 45 minutes. Joseph Ablo with a goal, and then Hubert Jehu. Hubert Jehu na share 2 goals. First, second goal. Edema Asante Kotoko and our Brighton Dini bless Ege on also take Kanamu back. So 3-1 advantage. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Wonderful games going on here at the Ghana Premier League. Gonia TV, as the case here, high sense. Sansoso and a Dewa 539 direct. And then again, Father Abraham, Herbal and Spiritual Hospital. Omnebuya Chilomaya de coverage and so eba. Anyway, Solo Yanko Kumase, solid performance from Asante Kotoko after that disastrous campaign in Morocco. Now, big time at the Bavaria Sports Stadium. Wonderful game.
Well, earlier on, I can say Kotoko for any BBS somewhere because when you see in a bizarre fashion Ediama work what on with talisman in the wake of that brouhaha. Your biggest asset, which are maneko supporters and I are agitated. So if they had to come to the Baba Sports Stadium number somewhere, I was say what to cheer about. At least to give them an assurance. Be say in the absence of our Betamwa and the other players, Asante Kotoko still a quality enough. And before the game, I catch say so we are Kotoko team there domestically. They can play in the domestic league. Maybe the continental competition about too early for the team. But so we are the imprint of Coach Karim Zitoa. It will take time for that team to gel and play on the African terrain. Inti na enyame wawa the kind of football Omabo and there in the first half. Enye completely dominant. Say bia Kotoko Omabo 70-30 possession. Maybe 60-40, maybe 55-45. Kotoko are top in the game. They've scored 3 beautiful goals. Hubert Jewu, trademark, long ranges. At the time, I know what become Chelsea. No be any that quality. 2 beautiful goals. And then Seth Kaju, what a way of scoring with first goal. Edema Asante Kotoko. Yeah. And I think Kotoko are in a driving seat. The only difference I will give him the fact that Kotoko defense in the shaky and the kind of game on Mobono. So if Marcel Hansen decided to dish out Carter, Kotoko would have been down by a man. Because I will Joseph Abla. Several locations in the Wako area where you see the area balls, and he's already on a yellow card, just as area answer. It is a one you're very careful in the game. The likelihood that Kotoko and they this particular game with 10 men but why na ebe me say in that particular games so who nya another yellow card now when you red card who you Joseph Abloa, it means that against Hearts of Oak the likelihood you will not play high and Joseph Abloa ebe a direct partner to Samba O'Neil in that crucial game. That is why in my estimation coaching decided say you choose Samba O'Neil for this particular game because he wouldn't want to risk the most trusted centre back for this particular game. But for Karela United, I think with the assistant coach now agree the fact that they've lost the midfield battle. They've not been able to contain Lord Hilary Adabo, Hubert Jewu, and of course Seth Kwadwo in that position. Or more energy and work rate and they are very good, very comfortable when they have the ball. In terms of a year transition, Seth Kwadwo all the transitional work at the moment. Hubert Jewu picking the second ball. That is why we to match those 2 goals because the second ball be a better and ball never know those space now. The kind of quality of possessing obetimi a strike. And I think that is the main thing working for Asante Kotoko. For Karela United, their defensive setup ain't looking that bad, but there are a lot of spaces in behind them. And more often those who exploited Saka Dauda and of course Peter Amudi Aqua exploited those spaces now. And the team the leg back loves to attack, the right back loves to attack. And so who attack it with your full backs you expose the center backs when the central midfielders are unable to map up with the Asante Kotoko central midfielders into the piano wing play Juma Edema Asante Kotoko with Saka Dauda and Peter Amidu Aqua. If Karela are careful in the second half, be consider more goals okay. But Coach Karim Zito should speak to the back line. Meaning the situation with Samba O'Neil or contract issues. Maybe that is the reason why one started. Or better still, AB or Modine air rested for the Hearts of Folk game. Okay. The 2 centre backs are likely to play against Hearts of Folk per coach in the system. Samba and Joseph Ablo. Ablo needs to be careful in this game. Another yellow card and he's out of the game. Right. But I think that Kotoko has been flawless. They've really done well, making sure chances are falling to them unbe-utilized. Going into the second half, a very quite an interesting game.
Quick one before we go back to the Barbara Sports Stadium. Other results here, but I'm saying Subium Fema. We come Chelsea Vision FC 0-0. BBN Gold Stars leading by a goal to nil. Dreams leading Samatas by a goal to nil. 11 Wonders Adriana 0-0. And then Holy Stars are losing 2-0 at home to Accra Hearts. Hamza is saying at the second goal. Then again, Swedru All Blacks are losing at home to Pando Heart of Lions. Any surprises so far?
Well, I'm not many surprised.
As I said,
Basaka bought 6 games prior to this game. One goal crowd went to mean Shaby. So, Enyami Wawa, as we speak, the Ghana Premier League anymore. The only surprise is that Hearts of Oak for the first time, maybe your first victory on an
Brekum Chelsea go Nenyaba. So they are also leading vision by a goal.
Of course, and we expected that Samuel Boadu pair the results are now. Oh, you know, it wasn't that much encouraging, and so this particular result, you know, Ebeboa, Samuel Boadu and his charges, you know. But I feel that other results now, Abebano, I'm surprised. Heart of Lions against Sweden All Blacks, Mekaya before even the game, and on Friday or so, Mekaya on Wednesday, say, sa game no. Sweden All Blacks, they are not in a good state at this moment psychologically. Coach in Africa all study the league, you know, he has no knowledge about the teams or no more air quackable. And you see, when you advise people, they don't take it. Apeja, Ghana Premier League, you know, is such that. So who the new coach ever not understanding the terrain? This is the result you will get. What the mistakes we do All Blacks are here say. Omakofa Ahmed Fati, Edinaba League anymore, Onim League, you know. They should have maintained, they should have had a local coach as the head coach. Okay. The dynamics in playing in the Ghana Premier League. After team sustaining in the league, you know, then you bring in an expatriate. That time, the players you have are building experience already in the league. But when you qualify now, what the Brony coach about one. After no so babe Ghana Premier League, you know, and also you justify in his mind. And results, you know, ebebano. If Oman you're careful, very, very difficult. My catcher said by week 10, coaches need to be back, and if you must start taking that. By week 10, other coaches met twice. Okay. And I would not be surprised say Ahmed Fati will be one of those coaches. Clearly, Sweden All Blacks is losing the powers Omunya here in the Division 1. And we Division 1, no, they went unbeaten at home. And so they made sure some them are home no a fortress. But here is the case, the Biani Go Stars have a picky victory. Now, Heart of Lions, a picky victory at the Sweden Sports Stadium. Can you remember the last time a winning match? The last winning match was against Basake Holy Stars. Now Holy Stars and Shea Gukura in the Ghana Premier League. So it looked quite difficult at the Sweden All Blacks. But other results, and of course, Dreams against Samates leading by 1-0. And Shada and Yame 1-1.
But finally, they have a goal in the Ghana Premier League.
Solid. It was supposed to come and it had happened. Especially on Wankasa home grounds. Let's hope say Ombetima maintaining now probably Ombetimi Ate can picky a drop. But Canada say Heart and we need a match on an Inzima soil, whether it was Karela or a Yebasake. But then 2-1 in the early minutes of the second half. You how game no big to but it is good for their confidence.
All right, thanks Johnny, your commentators from the Barbara Sports Stadium. As it stands now, Brekum Chelsea 1, Vision 0. Viviani Gold Stars 1, Young Apostles 0. Dreams FC 1, Samates 0, 11 Wonders, Adriana Stars 0-0. Hearts of Folk, Holy Stars 1, Hearts of Folk 2. Sweden All Blacks 0, Heart of Lions 1. Then again, Asante Kotoko leading by 3-1. Karela, I substitution, Semiedu, Abrante Blazege ko Sanso, and our Mohedi Musenoma, Ebitmia ko Ediamon, Gideon Boateng Filmo, Ama Zaidin Mohamed, and Hafiz Abdallah, Wamo and Sweatimiamba. So, Wamo Nuruddin Ahmedu with the intention of getting the equalizer and possibly so Ebitmia Kotoko at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. So, that is how I see it. A high sense, Sansona, Dewa 539 direct, and then again, Father Abraham Herbal and Spiritual Hospital. Wamo NSU Pechi. A fair Tosumi no Asha say Baba Sports Stadium. Popo Contin at the Karela United. Wamo Muso beating me about Tika and you met me also at me at the Amomuya and Asante. So far, so good. Bismarck support them for Timanti at Old Cross.
Well, fair Tosumi no Asha say Center referee Maxwell Hansen. What's the track? I said so. Set Quacho weather from referee Jefa Wedi Amano. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Shemiensa. Asante Kotoko Shemiensa Karela United. Womati Mubako. Man, we say Saka Dauda. Patika Sedu. Opo bora dia fa wie go kika ye board it Asante Kotoko. A free kick here, body at Asante Kotoko. Faisa Gariba. Gariba Jibona Jaso Kama. A Pigabona de Bona Fanifa. Nenso Asante Kotoko. Ball on board for you, Papa Okupameso. Yami Antomena now to Asante Kotoko Asia. House of Hope. Our Cross Sports Stadium. A free kick here, body at Karela United. Kotoko Krabono Fifi Afem. Joseph Pablo. Lord Amoa. Amoa Jibodo Unifa Faso. Saka Dauda. Lord Hilaria Dabo. Kubejewu. Joseph Pablo. Henry Kwame Lord Amoa. Lord Amoa de Pone Echo, Piasso de Fanny, Nifa Faso, whatever who Bejewu. Saka Dauda. Nelson Bonatrasia, a throw in here to Ayatia, Asante Kotoko. Set Koju. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara Piasso de Ama Henry Kwame Ansu. Whatever who Beja was Saudi Akoma Kwame Ansu was saying in area. Joseph Pablo. Ablo Pega Bonadia Fabe Kumna Korea. Patrick Asienso. Abdullah Zakaria Bonomo de Bonasa Kokodia Asante Kotoko. Lord Amoa. Saka Dauda header from our referee Maxwell Hansen and Jefao. Adiama Asante Kotoko. And Hassan Ali. One of the Kodisa and Samanema. And center referee Maxwell Hansen. Aje freke Kadiama Asante Kotoko. Power it here, Asante Kotoko Sanse. Karela United. Al Hassan Ali header from Hubejewu. Who the Kodisa Samanema center referee Maxwell Hansen. Nakasa Abdul Fattah Mohamed wa pega bonada chemu Fifi FM Karela United or bona kwa koche Piasso Morfin Donzo betini akonenso Dialogue fight to goalkeeper. Bono Madi Papa. Karela. Hilaria Double. Lord Amoa. Harry Kwame Ensu. Lord Hilaria Double Asaka Kwaju Fifu. Piansodiama Joseph Ablo. Ablo Diama Harry Kwame Ensu. Lord Amoa. Kubejau. Harry Kwame Ensu. Lord Hilaria Double. Joseph Ablo. Kubejau. Apaya Bore de Achemu. Patika Sedu. Sakata Apaya Bore de Achemu. Chasma Asante Kotoko. Nenso Bore Tinian Kwako di Faisa Gariba. Achibore de feeding some Gariba Tinian so. Wasaka Kwaji. Asante Kotoko Krabon wa Pian Sodi Bona Chemu. Kana to form reference Yantraso. Throwing it to where they Karela United were to what they are quite Henry Kwame Ensu, they were Joseph Ablo Fifi. Ablo example also. Asadia Quetia Koma, Henry Kwame Ensu. And so they are Fabian Koma, Joseph Ablo. Ablo Asadia Quetia. Kubejau, Lord Hilaria Double, Lord Amoa. Set or say, set Kojo, when they grab on Asante Kotoko Gotoso, or Pega Nationally. Peter Midwaka. Very, very good play. Edema Bobo Kwanedia de Asante Kotoko, who had the vision. Avanta de set Kado Enya Yedi Tia pass and a trauma Pitamidu Aqua. Even though he fumbled on it, but he still managed to hit a shot. Very good strike, but equally a very good block resulting in a corner. A corner your board here, Karela United. Sima Adionum and nine. Nesesima and Crown and your board for Tosunianimu. Lord Amoa, what Jabona Chidima Asante Kotoko. Wapega Edia Chemu, the permanent should be a goal kick. Gariba. What do you want to call Coche? Kubejau. Saka Dauda, what do you say? And fire body here. Asante Kotoko, Saka Dauda. What do you put in someone? Ekoka, Eric and Kunadu in two form. Body crack. Appears to the Bonafide. Went to the entry. Nansubana inside Asuka. Karela United Apega Bada Chemu. Nansu goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Asobodi Asante Kotoko. Atowadi Fabian Kum. Karela United. Karela United ball on Bonnet Financial. As a fair Tosuniri passes some money into Ninko. Patika Sedu. Patao Mohamed. What the one Aquache Asante Kotoko, Morifin Johnson and the European Sodo Johnson Morifin, what percent or twat Asante Kotoko, Nenso Piazzo don't to goalkeeper Daniel Afaju to be bottom of so but I could do Abdul Fattah Mohamed.
Very poor first touch. Emma Morifin Donzo, I think he was set up, just needed just one touch. Then of course, the she had that strike, but eventually, what me a Piabon so anymore. Goalkeeper Daniel Afaju and a far ball. Very big opportunity gone wasted.
Faisa Gariba and Yellow Kadewa can see him. Boka Amante and Nevia, modern back on Kaiwa can see more Nevia and I saw Kahubi Papa. Faisa Gariba was Yakai. Edema Karela United. Karela and Sakaye. Zakaria Abdullah, if I can see him. Emma Malik Abubakar Sofimo, Felix Motu Abeshim, and Asante Sulemana. One of our some Messia can be. Edema Karela United.
Life for life substitution. They needed a striker. Or yeah, that bulky, Obetina hustle, Asante Kotoko defender. So that's why Obede a Morty, Ababe Jimmy say Ombra Nomba that Ejumano and Fama. But so far, I think that Kotoko in your total dominance, especially in the second half, were more creative or more attacking, and that's what you do when you are playing at home, especially at the Barbara Sports Stadium. Everything works in your favor. I think Asante Kotoko are enjoying themselves this afternoon.
Karela United Crabon on 50 with Piazza de Bonaqueche. Wajibono Felix motivating Yako. Montenegro Maniquine. Referee say, Wopia into a foul young Fanto. Na young Muntia. Karela United, Felix Motu. Osuma Yepa, Bema Pa. When did Joseph Ablo, Chewa Bayading? Asante Kotoko and Sakaye. Someone turning to air back and saying, Abe Hubenjau, Edina Fimu.
Well, of course, at this moment, you'd want to protect some of the best players, and Hubenjau definitely Obenya a start. Ediama Asante Kotoko over the weekend against Accra Hearts of Oak. Quickly, the coaches decided to say, Omamano enough rest ahead of that crucial game on Sunday. And I think for Hubenjau, he wouldn't be as much as happy as you would expect, because maybe he was thinking, saying, a game no Ukraine a hat trick, and it will be his first hat trick of his career at a professional level. But coach, a sacrifice, Younger how someone can do edit that calmness, as a defensive midfielder.
Karela United Crabono, Ewan Finfin. Gideon Butcher Piazza, the one of Kakoma, then so that be Joseph Ablo. Set to say, what you want to feel, set Quajo, where you want to feel home. Daniel Afaju, Fatah Mohamed up. Referee say, I try Asante throw Yanto and Fantia. Karela United. A throw in the party can see a Duaco Fiber toward the Asante Kotoko. A referee say a goal kick. Jambon Fantia Asante Kotoko. Sima Adjosia and Tamwani. Kotoko Ashamiensa. Karela Timobako. Goalkeeper Daniel Afaju. Apenya Edia Chemu, one of 50 from who up him. Asante Kotoko. Set Kwaju. She won in 10 pass. Edia Chemu, Fin Donzu. Obetuanya go Tosonai. Asante Kotoko. Goal! Peter Midwakwa. Where's your great Tosonai? Edia Asante Kotoko.
That was a sweet pass, and of course, the cutback was done by Morifin Donzo. Goalkeeper no by Senka about the blockade. That pass, and then of course, Peter Miduakwa was on Magda with me Pebono at Tottenham. 4-1. This is an emphatic victory for Asante Kotoko.
Morifin Donzo, one of your Jumanina. Brother Peter Miduakwa. And what come on at Tottenham? It can
never be an offside because Peter Miduakwa was behind the ball. Brother Morifin Donzo, that pass. If Omo complaining, probably the two say ball no ebo Peter Miduakwa and sa Ebra touching the 9. That is why maybe they were complaining. But for the goal, if it was an offside, no more complaining. It was a perfect goal. Asante Kotoko.
Kotoko goal no Makuma 98 Karela United no matimu bako. Ghana Premier League winning match at Tosso. Enwachi. Daniel Faju Ayibona Chimama na trash here. A throw in here to Eddie Etia. Karela United. Sima Atiosian Yenu. Patrick Asedu. Joseph Fablo. Henry Kwame Ensu. Where am I? Joseph Fablo. Henry Kwame Ensu. Lord Amwa. Set Kwajo. Bonatrache throwing. Janto Wedetia. Asante Kotoko. Abdul Fattah Mohamed. Bonatrache Homa referee say foul. Janfanto Onaye Munti Asante Kotoko. Lord Hilaria Jabone Kodi Science Monino. Ama Maxa Hansen. Ashena Ben. Aje foul Edetia Asante Kotoko. Fattah Mohamed Judge Bonachi we pianso. Across the one of their children, so I try to say a corner kick. Karela Airport, Asante Kotoko. Abdul Fattah Mohamed Japonechi, I think I had a chemo. Then so my Ibona Fio. Pianso de Bana Fabenkum. Ajia de Chemens Mohamed Kamara so me Jan want to form. Kwasia de Bay. How to folk and Asante Kotoko. Woman of Bweni Ewa Crash Sports Stadium. Mohamed Karela, what the hell is it? I don't know. Patrick Asedu. Mohamed Kamara. Bonatrache throwing yet to Edetia. Asante Kotoko. Joseph Fablo. Mohamed Kamara Somudiama Asante Kotoko. Bobon in 10 times. Well, Chem Morifin Donzo. Nancy Achibana Fenison. Peter Miduakwa. Achibana Benkwa Faso. Peter. Across the border, they are Chairman's ready. Anthony Ankobia, Wanaka Kodi. Gideon Boating the Amara. Al Hassan Ali. Bobola friend so mother from a Canada want to go back. Faisali Eric Chikunadu that's one of the finish Joseph Pablo Henry Kwaniensu Lord Amwa Henry Kwaniensu Said Kwajo what a form of reference foul yan fanto na yemuntia Philip Adam a tough customer said Kwajo our midfield hall he's made sure say on a big holy a year play na Asante Kotoko be dictate the tempo of the game with Samuel Tenedu any Lord Hilary a double certain deep they supporting on the bay all the creative work and the Asante Kotoko and why that to perfection in this game it's been one of the bright spots Asante Kotoko in this particular encounter. I will not surprise coach Karim Zito would want to Soberman or some time sober resting off the pitch because at 4-1 almost 70 minutes I do not think say Kotoko able to be at now see the game by 5 goals to 4 so I'm expecting that there are some key players I will say coach may you be free and one of them said Kwaji
Asante Kotoko by Nsaka Yentabia Kwasiada, woman in heart of folk at the Bweni Wakra Sports Stadium.
Of course, Seth Kwado might come out now. Yaya, Baba Yaya, I be taking the place. And of course, player B to say Saka Dauda or Peter Midu Aqua, one of them will be substituted now Inusa Adams. And so Ababe Shield, just some bit of a breather, our game will
Mikasa Yapacha Bakodago, one to center referee. Marshall Hansen said, Gentle Chess and after Yaman Hontono, na Yakwanya, not yet to a cancel show. A brother Kwan Echo. Batman who Papa I say into the about canceling. Baba ya ABC akani bi esan say Asante Kotoko she goes na 9 ama Karela United atimu baako Mohamed Kamara pia Nyanso Abdul Fatah wa pia so dem Daniel Faji Watrevako Roman de Bona kwa Asante Kotoko and foul it here Lord Amoisa say Okopian.
The initial foul should have been for Asante Kotoko over the center circle, but referee no away play on, and then Lord Amwa so Echo should be about 10 at the back. Spot on referee no taking that decision to award a free kick.
Every country could do. Karela Yensakaye, Joseph Bekwin Babishim. Joseph Bekwin, Wabesium Asia Kani with Karela United. Saka Dauda Efimu, Ariama Asante Kotoko, one in Lord, Hilaria Double, Baba Yana Fay, Inusa Adams, Romo and Ebesha Asia Kani be, Ariama Asante Kotoko.
Like I reiterated earlier, there was a coach in the year, some of the key players in the Frimo, and Obianim say on Sunday, Lord Hilaria Double, ever started at the heart of midfield, Ariama Asante Kotoko. So after 70 minutes, you just have to give him some rest so they be recuperative now with me Babi Jinemu for Asante Kotoko. Baba one of the standout talents Asante Kotoko cat, but injuries last season there were a lot of injuries. This season he's not really played more much of a football in the Asante Kotoko due to injuries. So here's what he brings on board.
Throw in what to Alpha Nifa Faso and Fatah Mohamed will take a bonnet at Chemu. Karela United betting me take our opponents in goalkeeper Sampo goal. Karela United at Asante Kotoko. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara, your boss shot to Pubaye. Abdul Rahman Yaya. Rono and I said, we're tossing you. Ediama Karela United. Felix Mortum poor shot. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara and Tinyansum.
Was a very beautiful save, but then of course Karela United had that advantage. Ebra ball it to better with me to at them 4-2 at this moment at the Baba Sports Stadium. It looks certain that we are going to have a trailer to the end of the game.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko Asanai. Ama Karela United. Womati Mumienu. Henry Ensu. Samuel Kennedy. Lord Amoa. Bonatrash referee a throw in the Anton Frontier. Was the Anton Frontier Asante Kotoko. Faisa Garba, one makes a body Karela United. Faisa pick up one of the Chemo. Nesubana Tinian Comedia. Lord Abua. Woman Bona Quacoche. She wanted to pass over. But short. Nenso connected airport at Asante Kotoko Sanse. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. No Sekojama Bonico. I don't know why Sako so wounded. A trash corner kick. Mohamed Zaidan on the ball, shot no. Karela United, I'm not telling you, I'm very papa, so I'm betting I said. A break I can come betting at your mocha. Faisa Garba. Asante Kotoko. Lord Amoa. Piansona should be Bonatrash. Faisa Garba. And that's how I get Jumadi Amakarela United Papa. And throw ya to the tia. But to the ama Baba ya de ama Lord Amoa. Baba ya saje El Vivi wa pianso. And ya come Samuel Kennedy. Patrick Asidu. Baba ya. Asante Kotoko. No, somebody want to Kwakoche. Faisa wa pia so wadi ama Abdul Fatah Mohamed wodi fa. Karela United. Felix Montu Nancy went to Fabon and Koya Jeffrey Patrick Asedu Babaya Nancy Labi but I'm trying to throw in here too. Ariatia Asante Kotoko Erika Chukunadu Patawa Abdul Mohammed Piaso de Bana Falifa Akwakodi half is what I form Rafesi and Twaso Asante Kotoko Zibona de Achemu Aye Konaki Esa se Dana Faju Wachebuano editra Aye line into referee Maxwell Hansen say Konaki Tiapantuana Yemuntia Karela United.
Of course, Bono Echo a line that she as a goalkeeper no Bordo. But I think that, like I said earlier, Asante Kotoko Aiden said they need to degas and Sana game no 18 by the year because they've used a lot of energy and you don't have a lot of time. A year game way more. You just have to make sure say we're holding on to the lead in our Ukraine. So they be I reserve some of the energy for a year next week. As a coach, some key players at the field and my team at a point they liquid the joint players on my business. I feel on one side of rhythm in the game, but at 4-2 with barely 13 minutes to go, I think Kotoko have seen the deal.
A corner kicker, Kotoko board at Karela United. Ghana Premier League, what way in a match at Asante Jebo. My friend Donzo, if I can see him, I'm a Jordan Amisa. What do they say? I can't be. I am a Kotoko.
Donzo ain't financial go there, but I think the general play I will give him has been quite promising. Asante Kotoko, he is the first to press anytime Kotoko a Belusi board, and he makes sure say Obama a year Karela defense, it look quite disjointed anytime you have a presence of ornament and you more was a coach, in a free move. Definitely say if Asante Kotoko have to play hard to fall, they will need a lead out forward. Nothing so much from Donzo is that player Kotoko to rely on.
Lord, I'm going to jump on at you. I pay your children, so Abdul Fattah Mohammed, I pay what I feel. Asante Kotoko, Patrick Asedu about shot. Goalkeeper Daniela Faju Asamu Patrick Asedu Asante Kotoko Krabano Fifi said Faju Jordan Amisa Joseph Abro Patrick Asedu Asante Kotoko Krabano Piaso Ewa Fifi FM Somewhat energy. We also pick up on the achievements of Tassia. A throw in Ayato Editia Asante Kotoko. Al Hassan Ali, what to one of the achievement. Felix Montu represent Foul Yafato, Na Yemuntia Kotoko, Sanse, Henry Kwame Yansu. Hafiz Abdullah Karela United referee Abdul Fattah Mohamed. Ajibone de Fredensem. Asante Kotoko de Boneko. Apobore de Afani Fafaso. Babaya. Samuel Tenedu. Joseph Ablo. Patrick Asedu. Asante Kotoko Manchane Bobi. Women are going to also Numana. Piasso de Bonaco short, Bonaco pin. Felix Mortu. Referee say a foul young Fanto. Na Yemuntia Asante Kotoko Sanse. Mohamed Zidane. Mohamed Zaidan one only a candidate for my referee. A J foul de mano. Zaidan Mohamed, the body boss and you buy no. If you are Kasaso and a Philip Atom and no way Juma Ediama Karela United. One no NFA. Bless again. One in Faisa Gariba. Roma Juma Ediama Karela United Sima Edua train you and Yaboa can say him Makasima and we're training the referee Maxwell Hans Ramia Toso. I can't see any Nabana Rie. Ghana Premier League winning match at Tosso Watria Airport. Rukuansi Baba Nyara Agopa Maiso Kotoko Ashanai Karela United at Timumunu. Karela United, a woman said, I should go 90 at Tiam, and I shall move whom any mercy. I will go for my soccer. One more than what I said. Bonica Asante Kotoko Fifia Fem. I am far away body at Karela United Sansa Pitami Duapa. Go far born on your piano to baby. I'm a center referee, Maxwell Hansen. What's it, Debbie? Free kick. Henry Kwame Ensu. What am I Lord Amwa? Papa ya Piasso de Aquati. Henry Ensu. What am I Joseph Ablo? Peter Miduakwa. What am I Kwakoma Henry Ensu? Shibana Chemna Somapim. Karela United, Piasso de Bonafani for the Amafile Padom, the Modimba Sani Papa, Nancy Jabana Finisem. Lord Amwa Betiniafa. Piasso de Afani Financial, Samuel Tenedu and Timianco. Referee Bona Trashy, throwing Yanto Fentia. Asante Kotoko. Throwing what to where Chemo. A trash reference a goal kick. I call the Asante Kotoko. Felix Mortu, where Bememu. And what Dimpa. Akasima Enum. Sima Ediawatri Enumnia Boy Wakaisenim. Mohamed Kamara. Wapega Eda Chemo Fifia Fem. Akodi Jordan Amisa. Asante Kotoko. Inusa. Wadiama Papaya. Jayadiama Inusa Adams. Lord Amwaje wapega dia chemu ya pemna so aye goal kick aye ball ade ti Asante Kotoko set kwajo Kotoko aye goal kick Karela United. A throw in a year to where the Tiamo Lord Amwa to born and so on Timianco. Born Karela United on Fifi. Telepato Mwadibona Kwakwache. In Nusa Adams. Adam Nusa. Papa no munchene so aye foul ye board ye tia Karela United sanse party kasiedu yakana to form
very intelligently won free kick our 8-yard box nechi. I think sir at this moment you take some of the time now with me breathing kakra for Asante Kotoko and if you say it's a good job done at this moment career ball of my boy in the game. Obviously, they needed this kind of reaction after that humiliation. And 4-2 Adi Babaya Sports Stadium, so Kotoko unbeaten in the Ghana Premier League. I think it's a very good result for them.
Baby Abonadano, and Taye, the man Asante Kotoko. Mahu said Kwajo, Patrick Kasedu, Henry Kwame Ansu, Woman example on it. Take a seat, one bonus, one copy him on a corner kick.
A beautiful strike of a free kick, but the human wall, the human will make each other say, Bono and bendy over the wall. They had to clear it, and Sahed and all, it may result in a corner for Asante Kotoko.
A corner kick, Asante Kotoko, Karela United. Patrick Asidu. Apeya Bonada Chemo. Nansamto Fatah Mohamed Apema Manasa Trashe, corner kick. Chebo Adia Karela United. Patrick Asidu. Wajra Bonachi, Refia Senabe, Patrick Apeya Chemo. Nansoma Ibonafio. Pianso de Bona Kwakoma, Joseph Ablo. Ablo de Bona Fanny Financial Trash, throw in here to Adiatia Kumase Asante Kotoko. Kotoko Nantanachi Bono, Pianso Command goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara, and then Mekase, the body mono Ayanisa. A throw in here to the Asante Kotoko. Janela Faju. The trouble on the Chemo Fifi FM. The Huria Pim. Referee Maxwell Hansen. Say a foul. Jean Francois Nayamunti Asante Kotoko. Said Quadro Minim. Said Quadro Edago Pamana Soma who says center referee Maxwell Hansen. Jimmy Kako, referee and Fasima Enum, and Antoa Cancelo, so Sima Diaconi Naso Sima Enum, and a center referee Maxwell Hansen. I saw someone fantasy. Said Kajo Eda Soda from T. Yachincha Cancelo, so now Yaka Hometon now for yet to me, and Yakanyana Yatwa Cancelo, so. Ghana Premier League. When much at Tosso and Wapia Yabo. Kotoko Sanai, Ama Karela United at Timumu.
think it was needless from the Karela United player now. Already referee now resolved infringement at Karela United, so you don't use your elbow. In that instance, the referee no then it means that I will say out a card, and this is a matching orders. Would have been a matching orders for him. Needless for the player. So yes, I
do. Yeah, Tracy said, "Kojo, who bet me out on Nafe? Jatwa can say this, and the one Thomas, so I may if you go Pamano Sonafe, Santa Refia, Sena Bay, na Yatwaso." Said Kojo, you never go Pamano so. A fake here board at Asante Kotoko. Abdul Fattah Mohammed, when it's about actually my Karela, or Piasso, Nancy, there be one to the uncle. Zibone de Atemu. Referee Antraso. Karela United. Nancy there be. A throw in what to one at Achemu. Patrick Kasedu. Peter Midwakwa. Jordan Amisa. Baba Yaya. Samuel Tenedu. Joseph Pablo. Patrick Kasedu. Asante Kotoko. Crossover at Achemu. Nancy, you want to feel Peter Midwakwa. The Piazza de Bonafabin, whatever Patrick I said, across one at that gym, a chance for Asante Kotoko, and so many feel. Karela United, or Bomb Homadin Pa. Felix Mortu. The Piazza de Alcati. Piyabana de Achena Suko Kipa Mohamed Kamara Somu Ediaba Asante Kotoko. Sima enuma de to so make kasi abomu miensa akasima ba kwanefa na esa kanse ni na ba da wie here. Kamara Pega de Achemu Mfifi. Karela United ya kana to former referee Maxwell Hansen. I say no ben say Philip Adam. Lord Amwa. A throw in the 20th year Karela United. Lord Amwa. To where they are chemo. Nancy a pinball if you are. Referee and Trasso. Faisa Gariba. Monday was ni papa. Our group of my so and Yasam Ketua. She wanted to 45,000 so Patrick Kasedu. Referee. Maxwell Hansen and Shana Betty. I can't say in a banner here. Kumase Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko SN9. Emma Karela United. A
very good game. The Baba Sports Stadium. Asante Kotoko needed that reaction after say Wamutimiko now Wamutimiko into Edema with that Athletic Club in the Confederations Cup. And if you want your supporters back, this is the kind of performance that will put you up to have them back. And I think that so far, Oma Bomo Modempa say Ometimi